time for a little dicky nap. Alexa, play soothing rain sounds.
Thank you for selecting soothing rain sounds. Ooh, wow. I'm your tribal chief, and I'm gonna put you to sleep the same way I did that fool Kevin Owens at the Royal Rumble. This is my yard, and I have so many sheep in it for you to count. You're gonna be sleeping in no time. I'm the head of the table, but right now, I want you to lay your head down to rest. Are you sleeping yet? Why aren't you sleeping? Why are you playing games with me? Why would you play games with me? Sorry. I didn't mean to wake you up. Shh. Ooh, ah. Ooh, ah. Don't worry. I'm here to shield you from a night of restless sleep. Believe that. Jay, handle my light work. Yo, go to sleep, bro. Go to sleep. Ooh, so. Shh. Good night.